Welcome back, everybody, to another installment of Operation Kernel. What's it, Volume 20, which feels like 2 million, because it's a lengthy map, which is really cool, but we are going to be recommissioning the spring station and fixing the piping station. So we got to find some valves and then drive some shit all over the place. And fix some more stuff up on top of hill yonder there. So that'll be fun. Always a good time. We're gonna have some fun. What is that? That was that Mac from Predator? When he was all jacked up. Having some fun. Losing his shit. Picking up your crap. Gotta go get us a generator, I believe. Mystery boxes of monkeys and experimental drugs. We'll get a generator. I don't know if that's what's in there, but it's suspicious. And then... yeah, this one takes a while. I guess it's not as bad as some of the other ones, like the update, the latest two that we got. Not the ones on the PTS server, or the PTS, but like, yeah, be like public test server. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. On the PTS, words are hard. So isn't driving. Fuck. So, picking up your pieces. Skirt. Get your ass in the truck, homie. Get in, sparkle farts. We are going. I kind of wish the up and down button also... yeah. I had some smart today, but I don't know what it was now. Look at that. Yep, fucking beautiful. Gotta get a picture for the gram. I gotta let my hoes know where they at, or where we at, and stuff. Yes, we're going all the way up here. All the way up there where they keep the cookies. You know, up there. Yes, that is a teensy tube. I have decided to learn a new instrument. I've been playing drums for 30 years. Yeah, we'll go with that. 30, ever since I was like 12. Oh, fuck, I'm going to age myself. Oh, my God, when I think of it. Never mind. A few decades. I played piano a little bit, but decided to pick up a guitar, a little basic guitar. Try to keep it simple, and then move on to electric guitar, just for something to do. I get bored incredibly quick. Hence the 17,000 videos here. Well, not 17,000, but you know what I'm saying. It's gonna get worse. Worse in a good way. Lots of stuff. I am 100% sure there's no crack in my breakfast. Man. Gotcha up there. It's a pretty truck. Ugh. Exactly not sure what the hell and what route I'm taking, but I think it was the one I was talking in a couple of videos ago where you could go around and not have to make the road, but this is a shit-tastic route too, so it's like I don't want to flip the truck right now. I are so close. So close. Punch it. And of course you gotta unload that POS. Here's my not a Land Rover. Boing. Of course, it just rests straight on the back. God damn it. It's like trying to flick that booger off your finger that just won't flick. There we go. Cannot secure the cargo. No, because I'm going to ram it into place. Alright, I'll have to fix the piping system after I figure out and ooh, my Google all over here. Yes, you need to find it in the rubble. Not where you think it is. You just passed it. I can see it. I was hoping that it would like flash for me, but no. I royally screw this one up. It's not the right. It's right there by the red thing. Right by the boat. I do not pick the correct one. No. No. That's not it. Flick your shit on the lawn. Yep, short attention span is... The hell is that green thing? Is it like a dirt spreader? I am picking all the wrong ones. Oh yeah, the arm can only go so far. I can see that damn thing. But I'm gonna have to get the truck and come down and take a peek. No. Damn it. Yeah. Well, if anything, I'm showing you all the mistakes not to, all the mistakes I did and what not to do. Oh yeah, I also fixed that corner. Because it was crap. So much crap. Nothing couldn't swing there without whipping that ass out into the water. Burp. Definitely not it. Oh, man. Yep, so I'll get that over there, scan it, and then go, oh, it's a dumbass. I might not be a smart man, Jenny. Shut up, Forrest, you fucking tart. And there it is. Right by the damn boat. The shiny new one. Fucking got my damn YouTube eyes on. Grant me your bacon. Come on. They need to put some crushing physics in here. Oh, if it would have released when I wanted it to. Damn it. It's okay. I got it. You know the valve right in front of you. Sorry about your vehicle. Looked like it was nice. Alright, let's rock. Strap on and rock. I know isn't there another? Repair the, I don't remember. Is there two or just one? Well, we'll find out. What's up, people in Northlock? Almost said Northridge. God, my buddy lives out there, but I'm gonna make us all throw up doing first person. Just send it. Don't worry about it. Don't flip it. Come on. Come on, little Johnny. I don't know where the hell that came from. Random lyrics that just stick in your head. You know, after listening to music for a few decades, things start to mash together. Oh, we're good to go. Pick that valve up. Pet that dog. Booyah! And I gotta replace the pipe. That's what she said. Where did you go? Oh, there it is. I should have brought it with me. Oh well. We'll just go down and rip up. Make it simple. I just pick one about the yard and go. Sometimes it's just faster. Ish. Gonna go lay some pipe at your mom's house. I mean, deliver some pipe to the facility. Same thing. I haven't really ripped on anybody's mom in a while. Something's wrong. Ba-da-ba-ba. Oh, yeah. Get the hell out of the road, dude. Not quite sure where the hell I'm going again. No, I thought I could get it from the other way, so I should have picked up a piece of pipe, a section of pipe when I was coming up, but I didn't, so just making shit go longer. Oh well. Hey, I'm not perfect. I know I'm not perfect. Nope, not even damn close. And I don't care. Come on. Sometimes I always get lost in this one. It's sneaky. So super sneaky. Careful. 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 Focus. And then slam it in there. Oh. Why did I hit the fucking brakes? Being a retard. Well, we'll get this puppy done, and that'll wrap up this this video. So, thanks everybody for hanging out. I hope you're enjoying them. If you want me to do something, need to see something, got questions, I will answer it. I do not mind. So, let me know. Give me a shout. If you could, like, comment, subscribe, all that groovy stuff. And until the next video, I appreciate y'all.